Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is another video from Future Affiliate Pro. My name is Jamar. Wherever you guys may be, however, whatever devices you guys may be watching me on, I appreciate you for spending time with me. I promise you it's going to be time well spent. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to make $100 per day with ClickBank and no website. So this is going to be perfect for you guys out there who don't really have a lot of capital to get started, but you want to start dipping your toes and you want to start trying to make money online or build an online business. So in this video, we're going to choose a niche and we're going to figure out a way to drive traffic to our product that we choose. So without further ado, let's get right into the rest of this video and onto ClickBank. If you guys don't know what ClickBank is pretty much the largest digital marketplace where people can go, affiliate marketers can go on, choose products to promote to a particular audience. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get logged in to ClickBank. They're going to ask you some basic information and some banking information so that when you make sales, they can pay you. So once you have your login created, you're going to choose an account nickname. It doesn't really matter what it is, and a password. The next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to Marketplace. Now the Marketplace is basically where all the niches are. There are literally dozens of niches that you can choose from. Some of the most popular ones are health, wealth, and relationships. So it doesn't really matter. Honestly, if you want to maximize this method, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to choose at least 2, 3, 4 different products that you're going to promote, and you can basically use the same method for all of these products. So for today's product, I was thinking on my drive home, what would be something that people love? What are things that people love? And I thought about people love their pets, in particular dogs and cats. And then if I wanted to narrow it down, I said, well, how about dogs? People always have trouble with dogs, right? No matter how difficult their dogs are, they stick with them no matter what, because once you get a dog, they're yours until they die, right? So I thought about dog training. So in here, you'll just want to do a search for products, and there are thousands and thousands of products in here. So there was a product that I thought that really matched what I was going for. And it's this one right here. So brain training for dogs, unique dog training course, easy sell. So up at the top here, if you want to really narrow your search down to gravity, if you don't know what gravity is just the frequency that affiliate marketers are able to sell the products on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis. So the higher the gravity, say over 50, 60, 70, or even 100, the better off you're going to be promoting this product. So here's the brain training for dogs. The initial sale is pretty good. It's $31.75, and the average sale is going to be $75. There's no rebill or a monthly recurring subscription that I usually look for, but for this particular demonstration, we're gonna choose this one. It has a gravity of 73, so it meets above the 50, and it's in a niche or a niche that I think people will really like. There's going to be a huge audience. So the next thing you're going to want to do is make sure that the site looks good, and make sure there's affiliate products that they're going to have affiliate things that you can use to help sell the product. So you can see here the website is done really well. There's a lot of photos. There's going to be videos. They have facts. Most dog training programs today fail to engage your dog on a mental level and fail to develop his or her intelligence. With enough mental stimulation, many problem behaviors simply melt away. I'll explain why below. So there's lots of facts here. It says, if your dog doesn't listen, you have a puppy, he barks a lot, he pulls on the leash, aggressive, jumps. It pretty much, if you guys have dogs out there, I know my dog has at least one or two of these that he definitely does on a daily basis, especially barking. But you can see here she talks about herself, here's a video of her curing her dog's jumping problem. So you can see the website is done really, really well. So that's the first step in determining if you're going to choose this product. The next is going to be affiliate. They're going to have an affiliate page. So here, once you get signed up, they've got banners, free giveaways for your visitors. So they're going to have lead magnets, right? So very useful for building your email list. So if you're going to have a landing page, they give you free giveaways that you can use so that people will give you their email and they can end up on your list, and then you can thank them by giving them a giveaway and then taking them to the sales page. So here also, if you're going to continue using email swipes, now this is going to be if you have an autoresponder or say MailChimp or GetResponse or Drip or any one of those things. For today's demonstration, for today's purpose, I'm talking about this is the most simplest way to make money online. So if those particular autoresponders can charge anywhere between $15 to $30, $50 a month, so that you can capture emails and remarket other products to people. So there's also promotional videos that you could put on your landing page, keyword ideas, so on and so forth. So you can see here their affiliate page. She's got a lot of information on here to help people sell her product. So if we go back, you're going to have to get your affiliate link. It's really easy to do. So let's find the brain training. You'll just click promote. You'll have your account nickname in here. All you have to do is generate hop link. All this is a tracking. It's a tracking address so that when people hit this hop link and they purchase, you get tracked and you get paid for the sale. You're not going to want to promote this long address though. All you have to do is go to bit.ly, and I have a bit.ly account. Go to bit.ly and then just create here on the right hand side, type in that long URL and it will shorten it for you so that it's not a great big long email to kind of scare people. So now that you have those two, you need to start a way to drive traffic. You got your link, you just need people to start showing up and clicking on your link. So how do you do that? The easiest way, and the method that I've seen a lot of people use and I'm actually starting to use, is using Instagram. It is got billions of people are on Instagram every single day, and you can gain a lot of traffic. All you have to do is hit search, type in whatever it is that your product is or your niche, and you can get examples of different Instagram pages that are promoting either a service or products or anything like that. So I'm going to choose a page here. I'll choose this photo right here, or this video. So here's two dogs holding on to
So they're holding on.
It looks like a toy or something. And people love this stuff. People absolutely follow these pages. They love this stuff. You can see here it's getting 2,000. It's got 2,671 views, which is insane, right? That's just free traffic of people who follow this page. They'll come by and watch this video, and then they'll leave a comment on here. So let's go to this page real quick to see how many followers they have. So if you can see, they've only got 171 posts. I'm not sure how long they've been posting, but they have 11,500 followers. So 11,500 followers. So they don't have a link down here, which is incredible. If they had a link in here saying, are you having problems with your dog? And we've got the training solution for you, yada, yada, yada. Click the link below. And all these people, so let's look at their last post. So 910 people liked this last post of somebody. They're just taking these pictures. And what you can do is you can go to Pixabay. And you create an account, and it's a free images and videos. So we'll type in cute dogs. So you can see here, these are all free photos that you can use. And there's probably thousands, tens of thousands of photos that you can use. Right? You can just take these photos, save them to your computer, and you can upload them to Instagram and create just like a cute caption to it. So here's a baby with a retriever, and you can see they added a bunch of hashtags. So people who are golden retriever fans or dog fans, or they have bulldog, I love pets, I love dogs, doggy. So they put a bunch of hashtags in here because people come on Instagram and they follow certain hashtags because they like looking at photos of babies laying with dogs, right? So they put in a little, a little caption here. I'm not sure if this might be in, looks like Italian, but they put in a little caption here and a couple emojis, and then they tag the page that it is right here, right? So super simple. It's got 1,400 likes. 1,400. So imagine if our dog training link was somewhere in here or somewhere here, and we said dog training. If you want to train your dog, your dog has issues with barking or chewing or jumping up on people, click this link below. This training is amazing. Then people click it, they get sent to the affiliate page, which was this right here. And they check it out and say, hey, I could use this. And they go ahead and make a purchase, and then you get $31.75. So you don't need a website. You don't need a landing page. You don't need an autoresponder. You can literally do this for any product, the same method, any product. You can set this up and you can start making commissions. You can start earning money literally in 1 week. Now, I don't recommend, when you start your Instagram page, I don't recommend putting your link in here. Build it up. Spend a month and just build up some followers, maybe 1,000 or 2,000 people, continuing to post every single day. I can't stress how important it is. You have to post every single day because you want people to come back to your page. And if you consistently have new content, they're going to be drawn back to your page, especially if you see this person's got stories going. So here, especially if there's stories, people can quickly come on here and say, oh, look at this dog and cat. I love it. It's so great. Okay, so you guys following what's going on here? So it's really, really simple. So the second way, which is equally as easy, is all you have to do is go onto Google and do a search for this particular thing, dog blogs. So what you can do is set up Google Alerts. So we'll search here to Google Alerts and just put in here dog training, and then just set an alert. Our dog training blogs. We'll just put in dog training. So here, dog training, create alert, and then what's going to happen is when this alert, when you come onto Google and there's a brand new blog that's come out for dog training, you can go on to the blog, see if there's a comment section at the bottom. And when you get to the bottom and allows you to put in comments, kind of don't spam your link, but just kind of leave a really thoughtful comment, read some of the article and, give feedback. And then at the bottom of your couple sentences or your paragraph, say, I use this training for my dog. It worked really, really well. If you guys are interested, check this link out. Boom. Throw your bit.ly link right in there. And that's called breadcrumbing. And in another video I have that I made a couple of weeks ago, I talked about the process of breadcrumbing, where you can just constantly go on to all these blogs and you can leave your links. You can leave comments and leave your links at the bottom, your shortened links, and over the course of time, you end up having your link out there on 100 different blogs, and as people come across it, they're interested and they click on it, and they may buy it, they may not buy it, but you at least have that free traffic of people constantly going to clicking your hop link and going to the sales page, and then with the possibility of making a sale. All right. So that's going to be the end of this video. I hope you guys gained a lot of value. You guys have got to go out there and take action every single day. Action, action, action. Follow through. Don't be sad if you guys go a month or 2 months without making any sales, but be consistent with your action. Don't just keep yourself to one niche either. You can do this method with 2, 3, 4 different Instagram pages, build them up, build up an audience, and then start promoting products to them that you think they can benefit from. All right, that's going to be it today. Check out my Instagram. It's going to be Future Affiliate Pro. I've got a bunch of affiliate marketing tips, tricks, entrepreneurial quotes, and things of that sort. I also have a Facebook page called Future Affiliate Pro, which is, I'm trying to create a community of like-minded affiliate marketers, online marketers, people who are trying to build a business online. Please hit that like button. And until this next video, you guys be safe. Again, take action. I'm out.